Look around you. A rainforest may seem enormous and complex, but every living thing here is made up of smaller living units called cells. A cell is the basic unit of life. It is the smallest level of organization that can carry out the processes needed for life. Not all cells look the same. Different cells have different structures and functions, allowing organisms to perform many different tasks. Now, imagine millions of cells working together instead of working alone. This cooperation creates the next level of biological organization. When similar cells work together to perform a specific function, they form a tissue. Just like these organisms depend on cooperation, cells also work as a team. Their teamwork allows larger and more complex structures to function. When different tissues work together to perform a specific major function, they can form an organ. The heart is an example of an organ. Different tissues work together so the heart can pump blood throughout the body. Other organs have their own specialized functions. The lungs help with gas exchange, the stomach helps digest food, and the brain coordinates many activities in the body. But one organ cannot do everything by itself. Different organs work together as part of an organ system. For example, the digestive system processes food, while the respiratory and circulatory systems work together to deliver oxygen throughout the body. When organ systems work together, they make up an organism, a complete living individual. And this is only the beginning of our journey through the levels of biological organization. We've gone from cells all the way to an organism. But what happens when we look at many organisms of the same species living in the same area? A population is a group of organisms of the same species living in the same area at the same time. Welcome to the African savanna. A population can change over time as organisms reproduce, move into or out of an area, or respond to changes in their environment. Now let's zoom out even farther. A rainforest doesn't contain just one population. It contains many different populations living together. Look around you. A community is made up of different populations of organisms. They live and interact in the same area. When we include the non-living parts of the environment, such as water, air, soil, sunlight, and temperature, we have an ecosystem. Imagine zooming out one more time. Instead of looking at a single ecosystem, we can look at ecosystems across an entire region, and eventually across Earth. The biosphere is the part of Earth where life exists. It includes all ecosystems and all living organisms on our planet. From a tiny cell to the entire biosphere, each level is connected. Life is organized in layers, with every level contributing to the incredible complexity of our planet. Science explorers, it's challenge time. Let's see if you can follow the levels of biological organization from the smallest to the largest. Can you remember the sequence? Start with the cell, then move upward step by step until you reach the biosphere. Don't rush your answer. Think about how each level is built from or connected to the level before it. Let's practice. I'll give you examples. Identify which level of biological organization they represent. To which level does this belong? Ready? Remember, we're moving from the smallest biological level to increasingly larger and more complex levels. Excellent work! Understanding these connections helps us see that living things are organized systems, not isolated parts. Today, we traveled through the levels of biological organization, starting with the smallest unit of life, the cell. From cells to tissues, organs, organ systems, organisms, populations, ecosystems, and finally the biosphere, each level is connected to the others. When we understand these connections, we begin to see life as one enormous, interconnected system, from the smallest cell to the entire planet. And that's our science adventure for today. Keep asking, keep exploring, and remember, science starts with you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in our next science adventure.